What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you're watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you and guide you how you can recover deleted photos from your DSLR SD card. Here you can see this is my 16 GB DSLR SD card, and I used to have lots of photos clicked with my Canon DSLR into this SD card. And I had already deleted all of these photos from my SD card. And now in today's video, I'm gonna guide you and show you if you have accidentally deleted all of your photos from your SD card, how you can recover it using Windows computer and with a very easy application. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so guys, first of all, what you need to do, you have to connect your SD card with your computer using a SD card reader. So let me connect my SD card with my computer using this SD card reader. Okay, so guys, I had connected my SD card with my computer, and now you can see my computer screen. If I go to Windows Explorer, and here you can see my EaseUS digital SD card. And if I go to DCIM folder and Canon camera, here you can see we have a couple of photos still there. So let's delete all of this. Now let's format this SD card completely. Okay, so guys, now if I go to this SD card, here you can see it's now completely blank and formatted. Now let me show you how you can recover all the deleted photos from my SD card. So first of all, go to this video description, and from the description, open up this link on your browser. So this is the AOMEI FastRecovery application that we are going to use for data recovery or photos recovery. This company contact me and give me a free license key and ask me to make a video about this application if it works. So let's try, does this application really works for data recovery or not. So if you want to buy this application, here you can see there is a buy now link. If we click on here you can see it's available in two variants, the professional and technician. And for both of these variants, you can select the monthly, yearly and lifetime option. So I had a free license key, whatever they provided me. So I'm not going to buy it. I'm going to try this application. So now I'm going to click on free download, and it's going to download the exe installer of this application. Okay, now go to your downloads folder. Then here you can see we have the exe installer. Now double click on it to install this on your computer. Next, accept the agreement, next, and install. Now in couple of seconds, this AOMEI FastRecovery application will be installed on my computer. Now click on finish, and it will automatically launch the AOMEI recovery application. So I had already told you that they provide me a free license key. So let's activate the license key. Click on this key icon, press your license key, then click on activate. Here you can see the registration is successful. Now let me show you how you can use this application to recover deleted photo. Here you can see we have the removable media or EaseUS digital, which is our Canon DSLR SD card. Now from here, click on USB or SD card recovery. Here you will see your SD card, click on scan. Now this application going to scan your SD card completely and try to recover all the deleted photos. So give it some time to scan your SD card completely. Okay, so guys, here you can see it's already recovered 22 files. So if I click on this more missing folder, then go to images, then JPEG. Here you can see it recovered couple of files and image from our SD card. Now click on this JPG file, and here you can see the preview. Now let me show you how you can recover the deleted photos. So just select your media or photo from here, then click on select one files or the couple of files. Then select a path to recover the files. Here I'm going to select the desktop. Here I'm going to create a new folder and name it recover. Then go to that folder and select that folder. And here you can see one file has been recovered successfully. Now if I click on browse, it will open my folders, images, JPEG, and here is the image. The resolution is pretty high. It doesn't downgrade the image quality. So guys, like this, using this AOMEI FastRecovery application, you can recover your deleted photos from your SD card. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching this tech tutorial and I'm signing out.